Hi, Chris here, licensed technician at Midland Honda. Let's check out this 2002 Honda Civic, stock number 24293A. I'm going to start with a good 360 walk around. We can have a good look at the car. The front tires are sitting at 930 seconds. This is about 90% tread life. And the rear tires are also at 930 seconds. Coming around the other side of the car, I've got the wheels off. I'm going to have a look at the new Honda rotors just installed, and the pads are about 80% life left. And up front we have also installed new rotors, and the pads as well, 80% life left. I've got the Civic right up in the air now. I'm going to have a look over the exhaust, the rear suspension. It's all been checked in good condition. The underbody, all the cover panels are still in good shape. And the front suspension I've also checked over. It's in good condition. There's nothing loose, nothing worn. Under the hood, we have the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. I've just finished changing the engine oil and filter, as well as the engine air intake filter and the in-cabin pollen filter. The Civic has also just passed the provincial safety inspection. Once again, I'm Chris. I'd like to thank you for checking out this Civic with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Midland Honda or stop in for a test drive. Have a great day.